Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Am-v2 axe is probably one of the most versatile and reliable tools you can add to your arsenal, whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman preparing for a wilderness expedition or a homeowner looking for a dependable tool for yard work and landscaping projects. Its robust construction and ergonomic design ensure it can handle demanding tasks with ease, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who values durability and performance in their equipment. Number 5. Fiskars X7 Small Hatchet Axe. Introducing the Fiskars X7, a lightweight hatchet designed for all your outdoor adventures. It's perfect for preparing firewood and splitting kindling with ease. Experience deeper cuts and lasting durability thanks to its proprietary blade technology and insert molded forged steel head. This tool is built to stay sharp and perform. Achieve optimal speed and power with its perfected balance and impressive power-to-weight ratio. Each swing is designed for maximum efficiency. Work longer without fatigue with its award-winning, shock-absorbing fiber comp handle. The ergonomic design reduces strain and provides a secure, non-slip grip. Its low-friction blade coating ensures smooth operation by preventing sticking. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a lifetime warranty. What we like. This hatchet is designed for efficiency and comfort. Its lightweight build and shock-absorbing handle reduce fatigue during extended use. If you're a camper or hiker who spends a lot of time prepping firewood or clearing branches, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The Fiskars has a completely hollow handle, which is a huge weight savings. That fiberglass handle is virtually indestructible. The Fiskars website shows a video of a big truck rolling over those handles without any damage. So, unlike wooden handles, this one won't break. It's totally immune to understrikes. Fiskars' blade shape is like a splitting wedge, which is why it splits so well. The angle of the wedge on the hatchet is the same exact angle as on my 28 Fiskars axe. By contrast, most other hatchets, and most axes, use a more knife-like shape which slices in, but does not wedge wood apart very well. The Fiskars does both. It also arrives very sharp out of the box, unlike many other brands of hatchet axe. Materials are top-notch, especially the slick and durable ceramic Teflon-style coated blade. I chopped about 50 small to medium branches, including cedar, with surprising ease and comfort which left very minimal scuff marks and no scratches. Came sharp with a precise well-ground edge, but I would invest $20 for a Sharp-Held diamond file sharpener, coarse plus fine dual-sided, for touch-ups. Size and weight are perfect with nice balance. The relatively small head is extremely effective. I felt zero shock transfer from the nearly indestructible handle. It absorbs chopping impact surprisingly well. It's all molded as a single piece so the head will never come loose. Number 4. 24-in-1 Survival Gear Kit. Looking for the perfect gift for the man who has it all? This cool gadget is ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion. It's a unique present for boyfriends, husbands, dads, and anyone who loves the outdoors. This multi-tool kit is your go-to for any situation. It includes a paracord bracelet, wire saw, emergency blanket, flint stone, flashlight, and much more. Be prepared for anything, whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an emergency. Natural disasters or wilderness adventures, this survival gear has you covered. It's perfect for hikers, hunters, and campers. Give the gift of preparedness to your loved ones. Searching for cool Christmas or birthday gifts. This is a fantastic idea for men, dads, boyfriends, and best friends. It's also a great stocking stuffer for teens and scouts. This versatile kit is essential for your car, backpack, or office. It's designed for those who love adventure and family outings. It's the must-have gear for any outdoor enthusiast. We believe this is a truly unique gift. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to us. We are committed to solving any problem until you are completely satisfied. What we like. This is more than just an axe, it's a comprehensive survival kit. With 24 different tools included, it's perfect for unexpected situations. If you're looking for a single, compact solution for emergencies, camping, or hiking, this multi-tool is an excellent option. What people say. The multifunctional knife was a godsend, sharp and sturdy. It cut through both fish and rope with equal ease. The flashlight, with its robust beam, pierced through the darkest night, providing much-needed visibility. The water purification system was a literal lifesaver, turning dubious pond water into a drinkable resource. Number 3. WORKPRO Axe and Fixed Blade Knife Combo Set. Experience exceptional strength and lasting durability with full-tang stainless steel blades. These blades offer superior edge retention and corrosion resistance, ensuring they stand up to any task. Designed with your comfort in mind, the textured wooden handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. An anti-skid groove on the handle ensures safety and prevents slippage during demanding use. This versatile set includes a protective sheath with secure closures for safe transport. A convenient belt loop allows you to keep it easily accessible wherever you go. Whether you're gardening, camping, hiking, or working on DIY projects, this set is your ideal partner. It's built to handle a wide range of outdoor and everyday tasks with ease. You'll receive a 10-inch axe and a 13-inch knife, each with its own protective sheath. We're committed to providing excellent products and support for all your needs. What we like. This combo set offers robust durability and a comfortable, secure grip. The full-tang design ensures strength for demanding tasks. If you appreciate the reliability of a full-tang tool and want both an axe and a knife in one convenient package for camping or survival, this set is ideal. What people say. These blades are good-looking, sharp blades that are tactical. The Hatchet has a very strong Velcro that lines up perfectly. Nothing feels cheap, and the thickhead blade has a double-button snap on the handle, and doesn't feel like it's going to slip out or move when mounted on a vest belt. These blades both have a good weight, full-tang construction, and the balance is awesome. They are both extremely sharp, right out of the box. Precision edge, even temper, straight as an arrow, and the weight is nearly perfect. I believe I will be searching for more products from this company now that I have sampled their quality and durability. This is a great working hatchet, but at 10 inches, it isn't really good for extensive chopping. This hatchet is meant for shaping and trimming, skinning and scraping hides. I could see sculpting with something like this. It feels really good in the hand, both on the handle or choked all the way up to the blade for close work. The steel seems good quality, not too brittle. And both came razor sharp, right out of the box. Number 2. RAK Hammer Multitool, the ultimate gadget gift. Looking for a unique gift for the man who has everything? This multi-tool is the ideal present for dads, husbands, friends, or any DIY enthusiast. This versatile tool includes a hammer, pliers, knife, saw, wire cutter, bottle opener, screwdrivers, and more. It's packed with functionality for any task. Whether you're backpacking, camping, or working on a project, this multi-tool is your perfect sidekick. It's designed for adventurers, mechanics, and outdoorsmen alike. Crafted from hardened stainless steel, this tool is built for durability. It also features a safety lock for secure and accident-free use. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable. Easily fits into a suitcase or backpack, ensuring you're always prepared. What we like. This multi-tool is packed with essential functions in a small package. Its hammerhead and pliers make it incredibly versatile for various tasks. If you're a DIY enthusiast, backpacker, or mechanic who needs a handy, go-to tool for quick fixes and projects, this compact gadget is perfect. What people say. This tiny tool fits in a pocket, toolkit, car, purse, etc. It is great to have so many accessories accessible in one small tool. The hammer is perfect when you're hanging nails on the wall. The locking mechanism is great to make sure that children can't access any of the tools. It's heavy duty but not heavy. Very easy to use and would make a great gift. Number 1. Sunkoon Survival Shovel Axe. Crafted from high-quality, thickened high-carbon steel and military-grade aluminum alloy, this tool is built to withstand the toughest outdoor challenges. Its hardened, heat-treated surface ensures it's wear-resistant and rust-proof for all your adventures. This camping axe is forged from ultra-strong, rust-resistant 3CR13 stainless steel. Its sharp blade and balanced design make chopping, splitting, and even self-defense effortless. Carry it safely and conveniently with the included protective cover. This all-in-one survival kit is packed with features. It functions as a shovel, axe, cutter, saw, hoe, and much more, including a bottle opener and screwdriver. It's perfect for a wide range of tasks, from digging to chopping. Designed for portability, this multi-tool disassembles into a compact size, easily fitting into the included storage pouch. It's lightweight and simple to assemble, with an extendable length of up to 37.8 inches to meet any emergency need. Featuring 3 screw-on extension handles, you can easily adjust the length to your preference. This allows for more comfortable and effective use of its various functions, like shoveling, chopping, or using it as a hunting spear. Whether you're camping, hiking, or off-roading, this versatile tool is ready for anything. Its robust construction and multi-purpose design make it an indispensable part of your outdoor gear. What we like. This tool offers exceptional adaptability with its extendable handle and a wide array of functions. Built with durable, military-grade materials, it's ready for any challenge. If you need a highly versatile and robust tool for various outdoor activities, from camping to off-roading, and appreciate adjustable length for comfort and leverage, this is the one. What people say. Great tool, very well built and designed. Excellent quality made parts, sharp and not too heavy overall. Lots of good stuff in a compact bag. Everything is good quality and sharp. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.